Hi, I'm Nadine, and I want to talk to you today about the benefits of this upcoming mindfulness session. Over the next 6 days, we will learn how to mindfully breathe, body scan, and create an inner awareness, the sounds, thoughts, and feelings we experience from moment to moment. This 6-day taster journey is a perfect one for mindfulness newbies to dip a toe into, as it slowly delves into each aspect of the thoughts, feelings, and sensations we experience daily, and teaches how we can become more aware of these for the benefit of our physical, mental, and emotional health and well-being. Let me tell you a little bit about my background and how I came to practice mindfulness myself. Rewind to 10 years ago. I was suffering from extreme anxiety. I would feel tense to the point of physical pain in my body. I would experience random panic attacks, couldn't sleep. I struggled to focus on simple tasks or even conversations with my friends and family. I felt isolated, stressed, and disconnected from the world around me and the people within it. To put it simply, I was desperately unhappy. I reached out to a friend who suggested mindfulness. To be honest, I was unsure at first, but being at breaking point, I thought it's worth a try. So I practiced. With the aid of online videos and guides, within a matter of weeks, I was actually sleeping. I felt the tension evaporate and I had a skip in my step. For me, it was a game changer. Now, I'm not saying that mindfulness is a magic wand. We all experience the highs and lows. The lows are an inevitable part of life. It's how we deal with those lows that is important. And with the mindfulness tool in our back pockets, we become better equipped for life. Although mindfulness is a spiritual practice, the positive effects are rooted in scientific fact and medical research. Here are a few worth a mention. Mindfulness can boost immunity, lower blood pressure, increase focus and concentration, assist in weight loss, help to release toxins from our bodies, improve our relationships, and actually regenerate cells. Amazing. So, all that's left to say is welcome. I'm glad you found us, and I hope that you experience some of these amazing benefits for yourselves. Enjoy.